Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome on into today's video. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I got a package from Smashbox Cosmetics. I'm still freaking out just a little bit. I actually thought I was being punked. If you would have seen my original video where I announced that they reached out to me, I thought I was being punked because they were like, hey, we really like your vibe. We'd like to send you something. And I'm like, yeah, right. Nobody reaches out to teeny tiny creators. Just saying. So I thought I was being punked. I thought it was a fake account. And I clicked on the account from my Instagram messages, and sure enough, it was actually Smashbox Cosmetics. Yeah, freaking out a little bit. I don't care if it's literally a card in here that says anything. I don't care. I'm grateful as hell. I don't get a whole lot of PR, as y'all know, so I'm freaking out just a little bit. I'm trying to open this to where we can see what it looks like in its entirety, but without showing my address. Oh my gosh. I think this is their new thing with frickin' Pam Anderson, y'all. You're like, bitch, shut up and quit talking and show us. Y'all, like, this is legit like my first like real deal PR. Like, no obligation, no like, hey, we're gonna send this to you, you're gonna have a code and you have to promote, or you have to. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. That is so freaking cool. Okay, we have the Smashbox Super Fan Out Mascara. The packaging feels so incredibly beautiful and heavy and luxe. We also have the Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner. I don't know if this is a liquid liner. I'll find out in just a second. I'll look at all of it. It almost looks like a calligraphy pen, which I think is so beautiful. Next up, we have an OG classic, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Then we have a little lip kit. I'm assuming this comes together or you can buy it separately, but there's two lip products here. We have the Smashbox The Legendary Line and Prime Pencil in dark brown. And then we also have the Always On Liquid Lipstick. Y'all, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do. This says, for makeup looks with serious staying power, available online and at Ulta. I have no code. There was no obligation to show this or anything like that. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I'm literally, this is cool. This is cool as hell. This does not happen to people like me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do a shorts and I'll test all these out for y'all because I want to be able to take pictures of it in the thing. Or let me take pictures. I'll be RB. I did pop up my shorts for you guys, but here's my little complete look. I did not use the liner yet because I already had some like sheer eyeliner, nude eyeliner on. This is literally like my 90s fantasy circa 1994, 5, 6, 7. Love. And I always love these particular tones of like deep, rich browns, berries, burgundies, that have a little bit of rustiness to them, if that makes any sense. They just make the teeth look look, y'all, this is cute. This is a vibe. I'm so grateful. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.